It's Philip from Pacific Coast Yacht Sales, and we're doing a video, startup video on a 1988 Doral. High quality French-Canadian built boat. These are Canadian built, did you hear that? And the big plus on this boat, even though it's an older boat, is a 2013 350 Mag Mercruiser engine with the Secor packaging. That's a new engine, transom shield, and a Bravo 3 drive. Yes, these people went nuts on this package. Factory freshwater cooling. That's a $4,500 upgrade on the Secor packaging. Great engine. And the owner's disclosed it's got 107 hours on it. We will run our diagnostic tool and guarantee and verify the hours. We have not done so, but we will. Doing a quick startup on it. I'm here with my assistant, Christy. Say hi.
Hi there.
One of our other employees, Barry, somewhere around, but I don't know where she went. So here we go. We're going to do a quick startup like we do on all our boats. We're the only dealership doing startup videos, walkthrough videos, and sea trial videos. PacificCoastYachtSales.ca, 604-708-1980. There's my key. Here we go. Quick look at the temp gauge. No registration there on it. Here we go. Crank it over. Sweet. That's exactly how a 350 mag should start. Crank it over a couple of times and off it goes. It's got a Raymarine C80 GPS chart plotter upgraded unit there too. So we are going to take it out for a quick sea trial. You will see what this boat does. Thanks for watching our startup video on our 1988 Doral. Thanks.